and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Oh my god, I actually cannot take myself seriously. Have I got black teeth? I've got black teeth from this paint. Oh my lord. Who recognises me? I'm Casper the Friendly Ghost. Oh my god, this is literally hilarious. I actually can't take myself seriously. Oh my god, I literally look so funny. Oh my god. Guys, this is another Halloween tutorial idea that I've got for you. I was just sitting down trying to think of something different that no one else has really done before, and I was like, oh my god, Casper the Friendly Ghost is literally one of my childhood movies. Let me see if anyone's done any makeup. And I literally couldn't find anything, and I was like, why has no one done Casper the Friendly Ghost before? It's literally perfect for Halloween. So yeah, this is it. This is Casper the Friendly Ghost. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's actually super easy to create. You don't really need that many products. Yeah, let's get going. So guys, what did you think of the tutorial? Oh my god, I literally can't look at myself whilst filming this. I can't deal. I cannot deal. I think it's the bold cap again. I need to stop doing bold cap Halloween tutorials. It's freaking me out. Yeah, what did you guys think? Please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. My hands are literally filthy. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Is there any other Halloween looks that you are wanting me to create? I've got a couple more up my sleeve. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram because I've got many more tutorials there that haven't been featured here on YouTube. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.